Now you guys know that I have always been a lazy food photographer, but for this video I'm gonna get rid of my laziness and delve into some action food photography. It's gonna be a pain, but if you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm gonna try some action food photography. What is action food photography, you may ask? In action food photography, at least one element in my frame will be moving or will appear to be moving. Like my hand pouring milk in the tea or sprinkling salt. You can go crazy here, so let's see how crazy we can get.
I have cut a tomato into such a quarter and will do the action of cutting on this one. Just the action, because that is what we want. My mom has made a tasty kadhi and I will take a shot while she is stirring. Another shot with a spoonful of kadhi like that. I have hot tea and will add some sugar to it and capture the action with my flash on. I have fresh toast and will squeeze some honey over it. Click the beautiful texture of the honey flowing. Simply pouring water in a glass, these bubbles are life. I have a bowl full of water. I will drop a lemon into it and capture it just as it splashes. After water, let's move to oil. Pouring oil while kneading a dough. Let me try some levitation. I have some okra or lady's finger. I have tied two of them with some string and I'm gonna hang them like this so that they float over the scene. This is the picture. I've taken it in Photoshop and will simply stamp out the strings very carefully and slowly using the stamp tool. I can brush with black over the background as my background is a clear black color, and that's it. My parents made some samosas today. I took a chopstick and have put the samosas onto it with some dough. Using a dough to hold my chopstick too. You'll have to use my hand as a support, I guess. Anyway, let's click. Now in Photoshop, I simply brush out the chopstick and stamp the remaining part. And my samosas are flying too.
So guys, that was so much fun, not so difficult like I thought it would be. I hope you guys found it easy and fun too. In case you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which food photography tutorials you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous food photography tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.